Guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited for today's video. It's all about Chanel and their holiday collection. I have a brand new highlighter, I have an eye gloss, and I have a nail polish. I'm gonna be using a couple of Chanel eyeshadow quads I already have to pull an eye look together, which for me kind of gives me the same feeling of the quad that I didn't get this time, okay? So if you wanna see how this face came together and what this beautiful, luxurious silk scarf is on my neck, just keep watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, before we jump into the Chanel video, I have to talk about my Fray by Breezy Tea product of the day. I'm excited to introduce this one to you guys. This is our elephant and calf silk twill scarf. This is a large scarf, centimeters 90 by 90. So this is our large square silk twill scarf. If you're not aware, silk twill is the standard in luxury. Chanel and other brands always use silk twill, Hermes, for their silk scarves. So we wanted to jump into the fray. Our scarves are constructed in Italy. This is Italian silk. Along with our illustrator, we came up with the designs for our large scarves. These are our visions brought to life by our incredibly talented illustrator. So I knew I wanted to do animals, and then I thought animals and babies. I thought that would be a really fun series. So we have the elephant and her calf, and it's like a snapshot. I wanted a snapshot in their habitat. Okay, so you'll see at the bottom of the scarf, marulas are there, one of elephant's favorite treats. We have this one in the orange earthy tones, and we also have a plum and like Bordeaux color story. I wore that in a video, I think late last year. So one of the things I love, and one of the things we were super mindful of while designing this, is we wanted each corner to have a different color story or a different thing going on. So this one has the bird in this corner, and throughout the video I'll try to remember to just switch it around to a different side so you can see how the different colors come to life, okay? And really important about these scarves for us is part of each sale will go to either Space for Giants or the Sheldrick Wildlife Trust. Those are the two that we decided to donate to because we love elephants, we love wildlife, and we want to do our part. And so we want to give a part of each sale back to ensure that elephants are here for a long time to come. And now I'm going to show you the full scarf. And of course, if you want to check out any of our Fray by Breezy Tea large silk twill scarves, just visit us at fraybybreezytea.com. Link will be in the description below. Okay, now let's jump into the business of Chanel now that my business is out the way. I'm super excited for this collection, but I did not get the eyeshadow quad. I'll talk about that in a second. I have the Eclat Lunaire Oversize Illuminating Face Powder. I'm so hoping you can see this box, you can catch it. So cool. Okay, the whole inspiration for this collection was the moon. You can see the Chanel bottle here, and then what should be the moon around here. Really, really cool box. It is oversized like the bronzers. This is a big old mamma jamma. Here we go. I have Ombres. And while I didn't get the eyeshadow quad, I did grab an eye product, their new Duo Lumiere. Their gel gloss, illuminating eye gloss that I'm excited to try out. Okay, sparkly little numbers. And then finally, I got this beaut, Clair De Lune. And I didn't do it on camera today, but you can see my fingers. It's beautiful. It's like a khaki with a goldiness to it. Such a beautiful color. Came out beautiful. Super excited about this color before I got it, and it lived up to my expectations. They also have a nail polish topper that intrigued me. Might get that from the discounters. I didn't want to do too much because I have a lot of videos coming up for you guys a lot. I've got some Dior. I've got a decent amount of Tom Ford. So we've got some stuff coming up. So I didn't want to get, you know, too crazy. But love, 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 love. You see it, Clair De Lune. Let me give you the number, because I know some people like to go by the number. 965 Clair De Lune. I'm almost certain Clair De Lune was a piece of music that we played in school. What's coming to me? And that's it, okay? That's what's on tap, but I'm gonna do the eyes. Even though it's not a new palette, I figure I can pull a couple of colors from a couple of Chanel palettes and we can get the idea of what's going on in the one that I missed. That's why I didn't get the eyeshadow palette. I thought, listen, the colors are pretty. I'm not so blown over, and I feel like I have these colors in Chanel eyeshadow quads already. So why not use what I have, pull a look together with these new eye products, this new eye product, and we'll see what we come up with. And before I forget, I'm wearing a brand new Chanel concealer that I'm super excited about. It was supposed to be part of this video, but I decided to try my first wear test video, and I'm giving it its own space. So I'll have a video dedicated to it after, just a couple of days after this one goes live. I'm wearing it now, and yeah, super excited for that video and for you guys to see that video. So look out for it soon. I so hope this translates. These are the two shades. Because it is a gloss, it is sheer, so you can see the glow, but this one here is the more orange toned one here. And then the first one is the more gold one. So the suggestion is that you can wear them on your eyebrows, bring them to life. It does come with a spoolie. I think maybe we should try it on the eyebrow. It comes with the strangest little tool. So maybe this is to take it out. I don't know, guys. Put it on. I got a little on here, okay? Let's put it on. Maybe put it on the brow. Oh. Might have to zoom in for this part. Let's get it on my struggle brows, and then use the spoolie to kind of just get the jazziness in there. Give it a little sparkle. Oh, that's interesting. That's very interesting. Let's put some up here. Oh, who would have thought to jazz up the brows? Not I, says the fox. Okay, that is very interesting. Gives a little sparkle to the brow. Let's try the other one with the other color. Let's get these brows sparkling. Okay, I had to go look at my brows in another kind of light. I can see the sparkle. It's fun. I think that's a fun way to use it. One that I would never even think to use it that way. So that was fun. I switched my scarf around. So this corner has the beautiful, like the rays of the sun. It goes into different shades that I absolutely love. So that's what's going on. Now let me get these eyes together. I might use the gold, just the gold one, from this Chanel Lumiere at Vibration palette. And then I have the Mediterranean palette that I think is a sleeper hit. I just love this palette to death. The camera does not do it justice. And then I have the Lumiere at Opulence palette as well. I think we'll try to pull a look together. These are all same idea, shimmery, sheeny, festive shades that I think will be a good enough dupe for what I'm missing in the eyeshadow quad from this collection. So let me get these eyes together. Okay, so this is the final change for the scarf. This is the darkest corner here. This is the darker side of it. You really do have options depending on your preference or your feeling on the day that you're wearing them. They are hand finished too in Italy. So they're just luxury, 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 and I love them. Now I pulled together this eye look that I think is beautiful. And I think it does give off that metallic finish that the quad would give off, even if all the colors are not the same. The idea is there, and so that's why I didn't get the quad. I have Chanel things that I can get that metallic kind of finish from, and I love the gloss. I love the gloss. It does add a nice little super light, not sticky at all. I thought it was gonna be sticky. It's not sticky, easy to go on. It actually has a nice amount of color on there when I was putting it on the lid. So I'm happy, and in the brow bone, I'm actually happy with the product. I don't have anything like that from anyone really. I don't really put glosses on the eye like that. So I'm happy with that choice over the quad. You can do different things with it. So that's it. That's the eyes. And they also said you can put the gloss too on your lashes if you want to. I had to call time. I'm like, okay, they're in the brows, on the eyes. It's enough, okay? It's enough. So let's get to these cheeks. So again, here is the highlighter. This is the rose one, or rose, gold rose. And here it is here. This is beautiful too. This could have easily gone on my eyes. I was going to, actually forgot. So this could have easily been part of the eye look for that metallic. The design is just the bottle and then the moon again around it. This is a beautiful design. This is enough highlighter to last me for my next 3 lifetimes. There's a lot going on here, but it is beautiful and I'm excited to try it on now. So let's get this on. I feel like it's one that I can do too much with, so I'm trying to be, Lord knows I can do too much with a highlighter. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, it's giving not quite what I thought, in a good way. I don't know why I thought it would be more sparkly instead of more sheeny. And I'm thankful for that. That's very, very pretty. Oh, well done, Chanel. I just assumed, you know, holidays, a lot of sparkle. That's sparkle and over the top speak. Sparkle. And this is actually how I prefer my highlighter. I'm not a sparkle person, I've mentioned that before. I mean, I almost feel like it's not showing up at all, but I know it is. Very, very sophisticated finish. Always what I want from Chanel, what I expect of Chanel. That's actually very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. I haven't even put color on my cheeks because I wasn't sure how this was going to wear. So I will put some color on there when I'm finished with this. Very nice, guys. And that is the highlighter, folks. So I'm absolutely already going to recommend this product just because if you're like me and you don't like glitter but you want glow, and it's buildable, also with the right brush is going to help. It's buildable and not too over the top. Okay guys, so that's it for me. I even put a little of that gloss on top my lipstick and to give it a little zhuzhin up, okay? And as always, everything that I wear on my face will be in the description below, and sometimes there will be affiliate links, so thank you in advance if you use any of my affiliate links. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And yeah, love all 3 products. I really love how multi-purpose that gloss is. I love the sophisticated glow that this, the Illuminator gives. I just saw it on sale today, and I'm like, that gold one. Maybe. I'm loving this so much, and I always love a Chanel nail polish. So happy with the 3 products I got. Let me know if you grabbed anything from this collection. Did you get everything? Did you just get one product? What'd you think about the eyeshadow quad? Did you recognize those colors already in your Chanel collection? Were you okay to let it go? Let me know what you're thinking. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. And And of course, if you want to check out any of our silk twill large scarves, any of our cashmere wool and silk beautiful cold weather scarves, our silk twill skinny scarves, or any of our leather bags, just visit us at Fray by Breezy Tea. And for all our hair products, you can always visit us at breezytea.com. I will check you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.